For years, Linux users have argued over the perfect balance between cutting-edge software, stability, performance, and ease of use. Some distributions focus heavily on enterprise reliability, others chase the newest features at the cost of consistency, and a few try to find a middle ground. Fedora has always stood in a unique position, acting as a bridge between innovation and practical everyday computing. And with Fedora 43, that identity becomes even stronger. This really shows exactly why Fedora continues to be one of the most respected Linux distributions in the world, and why so many developers, creators, and enthusiasts consider it a true Linux powerhouse. Fedora 43 arrives with a clear goal: deliver modern Linux technology without sacrificing polish or usability. Unlike distributions that wait years to introduce new software, Fedora moves quickly while maintaining a level of refinement that keeps the system reliable for daily use. It is often where new Linux technologies become mature before spreading across the wider ecosystem. And Fedora 43 continues that tradition in impressive ways. The first thing users notice about Fedora 43 is speed. From boot time to application launching, everything feels responsive. The desktop experience has become smoother and more optimized across a wide range of hardware. Whether you are using a high-end workstation, a gaming setup, or an older laptop that still has life left in it, Fedora 43 feels lightweight while remaining powerful. One of Fedora's greatest strengths has always been its connection to the latest Linux kernel improvements. Fedora 43 takes advantage of modern kernel enhancements to improve hardware compatibility, scheduling efficiency, memory handling, and overall responsiveness. This means better support for newer processors, graphics cards, Wi-Fi adapters, and storage technologies. Users upgrading from older versions often notice immediate improvements without changing any hardware. The desktop environment experience also plays a major role in making Fedora 43 stand out. Fedora Workstation continues to offer one of the cleanest implementations of the GNOME desktop. Instead of overwhelming users with endless customization out of the box, Fedora delivers a polished environment focused on productivity and consistency. Animations feel smoother, multitasking becomes more intuitive, and workflows feel natural whether someone is new to Linux or an experienced user. The overview mode remains one of Fedora's strongest features. Switching workspaces, launching applications, and organizing windows becomes incredibly efficient once users adapt to the workflow. Fedora 43 refines these interactions further, making navigation feel fast and modern. For developers, Fedora 43 is especially exciting. Fedora has long been known as a favorite distribution for programmers and software engineers because it provides access to modern development tools without requiring complicated setup. Developers can quickly install languages, frameworks, compilers, and containers directly through the package manager. Container workflows continue to improve as well. Fedora's support for containerized development makes it easy to create isolated environments for projects. Developers working with modern deployment methods benefit from tools that integrate naturally into Linux work. Whether building web applications, compiling software, or managing cloud infrastructure, Fedora 43 creates an environment designed for productivity. The package management experience remains another major strength. Fedora uses DNF, which has evolved into one of the most capable package managers in Linux. Software installation feels straightforward, while maintaining strong dependency management and clean updates. Fedora 43 further improves package handling and repository efficiency, helping users spend less time managing the system and more time using it. Software availability has also improved significantly. Traditional repositories remain extensive, but Flatpak integration continues making application installation easier than ever. Users gain access to a large collection of modern desktop applications with minimal configuration. This hybrid approach gives users flexibility without unnecessary complexity. Security has always been an area where Fedora stands out, and Fedora 43 continues pushing forward. Linux already has a reputation for security, but Fedora takes additional steps to strengthen system protection. Security technologies work quietly in the background, protecting applications and enforcing boundaries without creating friction for users. The default configurations aim to reduce unnecessary exposure while maintaining usability. System updates remain straightforward, encouraging users to stay current with security improvements. Fedora's rapid release cycle means fixes and enhancements arrive sooner compared to slower-moving distributions. Performance for creators has also become increasingly important, and Fedora 43 delivers. Content creators working with video editing, Graphic design, music, production, and 3D rendering benefit from updated software stacks and improved hardware acceleration. Creative workflows feel smoother and more capable than many people expect from Linux. Gaming continues becoming a bigger part of the Linux ecosystem, and Fedora 43 benefits from years of improvements in gaming compatibility thanks to advancements in graphics, drivers, gaming platforms, and compatibility technologies. Fedora can now run a huge number of games with impressive performance. Native Linux titles work well, and compatibility layers open access to many games originally developed for other operating systems. Hardware support continues to improve across the board. Fedora's approach to integrating recent technologies means users often gain access to new hardware capabilities earlier than on conservative distributions. Better power management helps laptops achieve improved battery life while maintaining strong performance. One of the most impressive things about Fedora 43 is how well it scales across different user groups. Beginners can install it and enjoy a clean desktop experience without deep technical knowledge. Advanced users can customize nearly every aspect of the system. Developers gain access to modern tools, and power users can build highly optimized work. Fedora's community also remains one of its biggest advantages. Behind every release is a global group of contributors working on documentation, testing, packaging, and development. This community-driven model allows Fedora to innovate quickly while maintaining quality standards. Another area where Fedora excels is system updates. Updating Linux distributions can sometimes feel risky, but Fedora has invested heavily in making upgrades smoother and more predictable. Users can move between releases with minimal effort while keeping their environments intact. The project's modular approach also gives users options beyond the standard desktop edition. Different Fedora variants allow people to choose environments tailored to specific use cases, whether focused on servers, cloud deployments, immutable systems, or specialized work. Fedora 43 also reflects the broader evolution happening in Linux itself. Linux is no longer just an operating system for enthusiasts willing to spend hours configuring every detail. Modern Linux distributions aim to deliver excellent defaults while still preserving openness and flexibility, and Fedora embodies that philosophy better than almost anyone. What makes Fedora 43 feel like a powerhouse is not one single feature. It is the combination of speed, modern software, security, development tools, hardware support, desktop polish, and reliability working together. It gives users access to the future of Linux without making them feel like testers. For anyone curious about where desktop Linux is heading, Fedora 43 offers an answer. It is fast, capable, modern, and surprisingly approachable. Whether you are a developer building software, a creator producing content, a gamer exploring Linux gaming, or simply someone who wants an operating system that feels fresh and powerful, Fedora 43 proves that Linux continues evolving in exciting ways. This is not just another Linux release. Fedora 43 shows what happens when innovation and usability meet, creating a platform that truly earns the title of a Linux powerhouse.